Hey guys! I hope you are all good. Today, I will show you how you can clean up your C drive in Windows 11. So let's start the video. Welcome to my channel TW Tech. First you need to right-click on Start button, and then click on Run. In this box you need to type temp, and then click on OK. Click on one of those files. Click Ctrl plus a key at the same time, and then click Shift plus Delete key at the same time. Click on Yes. Click on this box, and then click on Skip. Close the window. Open the Run window again. But now you need to type here %temp%. After that, click on OK. Click on one of those files. Click Ctrl plus a key at the same time, and then click Shift plus Delete key at the same time. Click on Yes. Click on Continue. Click on this box, and then click on Skip. Close the window. Open the Run window again. But now you need to type here prefetch. After that, click on OK. In there you need to click on Continue. Click one of those files, and then click Ctrl plus A at the same time. Click on Delete key on your keyboard. Click on Yes. Close the window. Now click on this PC. Right-click on your local disk C drive. Click on Properties. Click on Tools. Click on Optimize. In there, make sure that you must select your local disk C drive. After that, click on Optimize. Close all the window. Now type in the search bar Disk Cleanup. Click on it. Click on your local disk C drive and click on OK. Select those options which you want to delete in your C drive. After that, click on OK. Click on Delete Files. So that's how you can do it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.